What's up? As you can see, the car is jacked up right now because I bought some wheel spacers that I'm gonna install for the back now. I've already installed the front spacers. As you can see, let me show you how they look. As you can see, the fitment is phenomenal. The reason I already put them on is because I wanted to see if they would scrape, and they don't scrape at all. For a while, I put them on the back for like a whole week. I put them on the back, and it was so bad. 15s on the back for this car are so bad. I see people running spacers 15 squared all the way around, 15 all the way around. But for me, I think the wheels are too big. Maybe for like a 330i or 325i, or maybe another 335i, another model. But two 15s for all the way around are too much, so I bought 12s. For the rear, as you can see right there, for the rear, obviously 5x120, that's the lug size. So I'm not going to bore y'all. I'm going to go ahead and install them. Hold on. Before anything, let me show you how it looks stock. That's the fitment stock, which is, as you can tell, not too bad. This is how exactly, you can just imagine the fronts, they looked exactly like this. A little bit more sunken in though, and now they look flush. As you can see how flush they are. Obviously the wheels turn a little bit, but so now they're flush, but now it's just the backs because they're a little bit sunken in. Hopefully these spacers, the 12s, are enough to bring them out and not scrape. I'm gonna record on my GoPro later on, but for now this is just to hold it up. What you're gonna need for these wheel lugs for a BMW is a 17 mil socket. Alright guys, so let's see if this will break it actually. Nope. Hopefully I don't even have to use a breaker bar. Yep, perfect. But once they're broken loose, that's when you can grab the gun and do it the fast way. Uh-oh. Guys, don't take off the lugs without picking up the car. I keep forgetting this is a damn lug car. It takes... Alright. That's when you can go ahead and... Guys, look at this. Oh my god. But I'm going to show you how to do one side, guys. It's going to be the same exact on both sides, and then I'm going to just drop it so y'all can see the final result. So let's just do this side first. Guys, one of the other things that I forgot to mention, when you buy some spacers on the BMW that don't come with lugs, or what are they called? Spokes, whatever these things are called to come out, you have to buy extended lugs. If not, look at this. It seems alright, but this whole thing is supposed to grab on. And if only half of it is cut off, only half of the threads go into here. So this is very dangerous, and I've actually had this problem where my cousin, who sadly passed away, he put on spacers but he forgot to get extended lugs, and then the wheel fell off on the freeway on the E30. If y'all see my previous videos, I know what E30 I'm talking about, but it fell off on the freeway. The wheel fell off, I was scraping. I almost freaking wiped out with my bro. And yeah guys, so this is extremely important. Buy extended ones, extended please. And also try to make them by hub centric, the ones that come with this little lip, because this will help take some of the load off of these, and it's just better. So grab ones that have the hub centric little lip here. So then you just come through here. I cleaned mine already. Here. It got rusty again, but this is just surface rust, as you can see. So just clean this out with a wire brush, sandpaper, or whatever. But then you just slide them in. It's just slide in smooth, and it's just a turn like this, very smooth. So then you just go find the holes, make sure it's all the way flat, make sure it's all lined up like that. Boom. Then next step, put the wheel back on. And the reason I'm sitting down is because this wheel is sitting. So let me put it on real quick. Boom. Once you drop the car down, make sure to tighten these and torque these all the way. Not too tight, obviously. You don't want to strip anything. Just hold these. I put them in the trunk, or just leave them inside somewhere in the basement. Don't throw these away. You need these because you might want to sell the car and throw these away. But I'm not going to sell this car, obviously. So what I'm gonna just do is just in case I don't want the spacers no more, or I want different wheels, I'll still have these. So real quick, guys, let's go ahead and see how the car looks. Look at that fitment, guys. Already, look at that. Shh, let's go look at the hole. You can see it's not poking out as much, and it's still hidden. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. But look at that booty now. Sheesh. Sheesh. And once the car sits down again, once the car completely sits down, it's gonna look nice. Just like the fronts. And the 15s were poking hard. The 15s were poking super hard. So I knew I had to remeasure and do 12s. I've seen other people on YouTube do 15s. Guys, remeasure. Do your own measuring. Grab a tape measure and just check. Do your own measuring, because I thought 15 all the way around would be cool, but I played it safe. Bought the 15s in the front first to check out both sides. I liked how the back looked, so I left them on the back instead of the front where they were supposed to be at. And they were scraping so bad, so I put them back in the front, and now I bought 12s in the back. And I'm gonna drive it around after this and see if y'all can maybe do 12 and a half, so if y'all want to even meaner setup. But I think this is perfect. All right, guys, so this motherfucker looking more meaty than what it is. Look at that boulder. God damn. Look at that boulder. Anyways, guys, we're finished. I torqued them all down. Super easy. It took me about 10-15 minutes to do. He's obviously already loosened them from yesterday. Y'all's might be tighter because right now we're gonna go drive the car, go test out how it feels. If it scrapes, I'll let y'all know, but let's go. And then we'll get on to the next part, which is the cup holders. I'm not gonna lie, this thing's looking like a monster truck right now. So we gotta drive it a little bit so the suspension can settle. That big crank all type of fucking smooth. Damn, the chop, there goes the chop, there goes the chop. Shit sounds like a fucking turbo diesel. Oh, I'm sliding sideways. Just a little bit. Alright, let's see them motherfuckers scrape. Let's see them motherfuckers scrape.
Kinda hot out here. I need to get some internet service, man.
Okay. Alright, let's see right here. Oh, how did I didn't even hit that hard.
You scratched it?
Well, let's try it right here. Just a little bit. Here's a little app I got, guys. Dang. One, guys, if y'all haven't a Bluetooth OBD, guys, an MHD, or I think it's mine is a V-Link or Bluetooth. But if y'all have it, y'all go here to settings, exhaust flap right here. You can open and close your exhaust flap like an aftermarket exhaust. Like, watch. I'll close my exhaust, then I'll show you how it sounds. Right now we're not scraping, we're not that bad. So scrape just a little bit on the speed bumps, but that's not too bad. At least we got fitment now. This is how it sounds with it closed. This is what it sounds with it open. That shit sounds good.
Why to me it kind of sounds the same?
Because it comes out on your side, only one. Close it, let me hear the burbles again. It only comes out on the right side, and then when you open it, I bought these off of Amazon. I'll put these in the description, as well as the spacers that I bought, both of them, the front and the back. I'm gonna show y'all mine right now, how they look. But everybody's is different. Everybody's is different. Both of them can go out. Mine's both. One of them just went out, but the other one was still good. But let me show you here. As you can see, the bottom part is completely gone. There's no bottom part like there is here to hold the cup in. This one looks fine from the outside and everything. You push it in, everything unlocks up like normal, but then when you push it, it doesn't come out. This one works fine. The mechanics work everything real well, but just this, if you put a water bottle in there, something skinny like that, just fits in here, it will just fall straight through, and then it'll just fall all over the place. But thankfully, this is extremely easy to do. You take off this, and make sure you be careful, because I didn't buy another one of these. You just take this off, unclips, just like that, and just start pulling it very lightly. They decided they want to this one. You see this? Don't be scared. This is just a bolt down in here, so all I gotta do is just pull this out. Okay, there it goes. Put it back in. Unscrew. Unscrew. Ta-da! Oh, I didn't think it was so bad it broke. But there it goes. There's this trash. OEM BMW, as you can tell. This, my God, this is warm, dude. Why is my light not turning off inside there? But that's weird. Anyways, keep these bolts up here. Do the same thing. All the same size. There's none of them are longer than the others. They're all the same. Valve thing. All right, now we pull it out. Boom. That's the second one. This one looks real good in condition though. But obviously the spring that was inside here is a coil like this. That coil tends to come out of place or it breaks. Mine, I try to fix it. I fix it for a while, and then you can just hear it pop inside there, come out of place again. Then boom, 1 and 2, and now, bro, I'll put the old one back on. I'll put the old one back on, bruh. Oh my god, it feels much heavier, much nicer. There was not YouTube videos. Now I think there is. Look at that. Much nicer now. Next, in here. So boom, just like that. And mine came with these little white chrome, these little white things. So I actually had to go on Amazon and try to find those, but luckily they're easy to find now. Oh shoot, there's stuff inside of it. And boom, just like that, it's done. Both of them are done now. Easy part, grab your thing here. Things this way, yep. You just go like this, put this one side in first, and then the holes line up. Start from here. And boom. That easy. Just like that. And now finally I got working cup holders. And boom guys, there you go. The spacers, that easy to do those cup holders. Took me seconds. I'll put these in the description below. Also put the spacers down below so I can go buy them. These few videos are like DIYs, and I normally do vlogging and stuff with my cars, with the boys. Today was kind of a DIY because I really needed to fix these. But yeah guys, this is going to be at the end of the video. As you can see, boom, these things are done. Dirty car. Look at that fitment in the front door. Sheesh, the back door. Sheesh. The stance door. Sheesh. This side. Sheesh. So now we're about to pray we can get out because, as you can see over there, there's mud. Look at my tires. Oh my god. But yeah, one thing before we pack up and everything, all my camera gear and stuff, I'm gonna bring my tire cleaner because I need to wash my car tomorrow maybe, and my ceramic cleaner. This, my wheel cleaner, my wheel shiner. That's what it is, wheel shiner. Where's my tire shiner? I wash the cars here, but since they get so muddy downstairs, right here downstairs, since it gets so muddy, I like to damn dog. Did someone take my shit? Damn! I can't fucking use my shit. Damn! This thing was like 25 bucks. This thing was full. Damn! But as you can see, guys, parts, the Valvetronic motor I need to put on this damn car. But to remove the timing, I'm too lazy right now. Wheel bearings, need those. As you can see, my old headlight ballast that I still need to return or sell. Old ones. I'm not gonna keep them in here actually. I'm gonna keep them inside the crib over here somewhere where my dad won't throw them away. Yeah guys, then this video is a simple little video, easy little video, informative little video, but I wanted to record real bad, and since I haven't recorded in like a long time due to work and the parts coming in, waiting and stuff, I had to not just do me once, but look at that fit. Give y'all a bonus and show y'all too since I didn't post last week. But I mean, there we go. We're done. My baby's straight now. Now all I gotta do is wash it because you can see, guys, the pollen is starting to come down. Jesus, is this it? My tire shine? Engine degreaser. Man, where's my tire shine at? Dude, don't tell me I gotta buy some more. Yeah, guys, the pollen came down. It's the worst day for us car guys. One, because we don't like pollen. If y'all know what pollen is, it's tree sperm. So that flies in your damn mouth. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, we don't like that. And the cars get dirty and shit. So, dog. Someone took. Boom, I found it. It's right in front of my damn face. I'm stupid as shit. We're gonna wash my car. Not today. I washed it yesterday. So that's why it's halfway clean. But yeah guys, I hope y'all like this video. The fitment is crazy right now. We're gonna go drive it, and yeah guys.